I had talked with you in my earlier video about skin color, that every skin color is beautiful. You should be accept yourself as you are. But if someone wants to work on themselves, if someone wants to work on their body, if someone wants to work on their skin, it is totally okay. But the only thing is that the decision should be only yours. No one else can force you to do anything with your body or your skin. If you want to work on your personality, it is a great idea. Nowadays, a good personality matters a lot. To lead a successful life, to lead a successful career, there is a requirement of a good personality. Good personality can influence so many people. So I am gonna sharing some of my tips, some of my fashion sense or some of my style with you to improve your personality, to change something for the better. So I will share all the information, but at the end of the day, what you want to adapt and what you don't want to adapt, that is up to you. After seeing all the information, after watching the whole video, at the end, you just be yourself and then adapt something in yourself or remove something from yourself. But you should be natural. Just do not copy paste anything from anybody. This is the main idea of this whole conversation. You should organize and edit your closet. How one can create a great outfit if you can't even see what you own. So organize your closet, hang what should be hung, and fold the rest. Invest in a shoe rack so that you can visualize complete outfit. Everything that you should wear in a dress should be in front of your eyes so that you can visualize the whole outfit. That is the tip number 1. So my second tip is find a good tailor. I know that it is a dream for many women to find a good tailor, because tailor does not easily convince, make the outfit the way you want. They do not easily believe or they do not easily get convinced by ourselves. They make excuses to make a certain outfit, to make some design. They make a lot of excuses like the fabric will not work with this kind of outfit, the thread will not work to design this outfit. They will make a lot of excuses. But to find a good tailor is a dream come true for many women. So if you find a good tailor, you can convince them to make a design the way you want, to make a design for yourself. You can draw your design into a piece of paper and show them and convince them to make that design for yourself. So go and find a good tailor for yourself to fulfill all your requirements, who will do all the things you tell them to do with any fabric. This is a very important part of styling and designing. So the third tip is the balancing your top and bottom. It is very important to plan your outfits the way that your top and bottom complement each other to make a effective outfit. So if you are wearing a loose shirt or a loose t-shirt, then your pant should be fitted. Then try pairing it with a tight pant. And if your pant or trouser or your skirt is a loose, then try pairing it with a fitted top or a crop top. So to look appearable, both the top and bottom should be in balance. That is the tip number 3. So my fourth tip is knowing your shape. What kind of body shape you have and what kind of clothes you should shop for yourself. So invest in a style that will work for your body shape. So if you don't know that what kind of clothes will work on your body, then you can Google it. There are so many solutions on Google about your problems. You go to your closet and search for the things that you acquire from Google and see if you have the same thing in your closet. So if you don't know that what kind of clothes or piece of clothes will go with your body type, then you can Google it. You go to Google and search your all the problems, and they will give you all the solutions. So once you acquire that knowledge from Google, all the information regarding that topic, you go to your closet and see if you have the same kind of things with yourself in your closet. If yes, then try that and see if it is looking good on you or not. If you are confident about that thing, about that piece of clothes, then try to shop more pieces like that, more designs like that. And you also can experiment with the colors, with the fabric, having that confidence in yourself and knowing that you already look fantastic in that design. And eventually you will get to know that what kind of clothes are going well with your body type. So that is the tip number 4, that knowing your shape and then consider anything for yourself to wear. So the 5th point is prepare for the fitting room. Prefer the kind of store where you can have the trial room facilities. You can try things on. So don't ever go shopping when you are too much in a rush or too tired to try things on. You should wait and go shopping another time, because fittings and sizes are vary between the stores and designs. So trying things on is essential. So this is the thing that you should take care of when you go to shopping. That do not ever buy items without trying on yourself. So the 6th one is don't be afraid to mix patterns. Patterns are an excellent way to add some life and fun to your wardrobe. And mixing pattern is even better. So if you have been sticking to basic block colors for the past 10 years, now is the time to be bold and embrace checks, stripes, floral, gingham and more. Just remember to make sure that your patterns complement rather than clash. So mixing pattern with your clothes is a great idea. 7th point is curate your colors to suit your skin tone. Have you ever wondered why some colors looks great on you and others don't? It is because of your skin tone. To ensure every outfit you wear looks amazing on you, try filling your wardrobe with the colors that flatter you the most. So if you have a cool complexion, swap garments in colors like white, black, grey, silver and blue. And your undertones are warm. On the other hand, stock up designs in shades of brown, yellow, gold, olive and red. Now it is your task to find out what colors clothes did match with your skin tone, and then swap for the things. Point number 8. Buy these 3 essential jackets. So you may know that a little black dress and a white t-shirt are essential for your closet. But do you know that there are 3 types of jackets which is non-negotiable for a stylish lady? Is a tailored jacket, denim jacket and leather jacket. While tailored jacket will cover you for your work and formal occasions, the denim jacket will take care of your casual looks and leather jacket on the other hand is perfect for your edgy outfits and evening drinks. Whenever you are running late, you can just grab one of these and way out the door. So the ninth point is just the right amount of skin. So showing off the just right amount of skin is a very essential to look elegant. To ensure you nail a right look, show just one part of your body. If your best feature is your leg, then opt for a long sleeve, high neck mini dress. And if you want to show your cleavage, a deep V design, then try to pick up the dress which is a full length. And whenever you are in doubt, just try to revealing less, not more, because point number 10, which is my personal favorite, do not forget to accessorize. Adding accessories should be the final step to completing your whole outfit. Whether it is just a belt or a necklace, accessories have the power to transform your look from good to great. Therefore, invest in a good accessories. Accessories like shoe, bag, sunglasses, hats and jewelry are all essential for you to own them and to remember to wear them. Accessories make a finishing touch to your whole look. So if you all like all the information that I have shared in this video and you gain some information from this, please consider subscribing.